expecting something like this actually. I loved Korea, like more than I expected.
This is the second time I'm in Korea, and I already know the culture of Korea. I just, like their arts.
First time when I came there, I thought it would be just a summer camp without any activities, like just language courses. But it was really fun, so I came there twice. It's my second year.
We studied English and we had fun and we made friends, and I'm so happy that I have made tons of friends.
This is my the first global experience of English practice, and by the time I started learning here English from my professor, I didn't totally recognize his speech, and by the end of the camp, I do.
Studying English here is drastically different from studying in Russia because we get the opportunity to speak to a native speaker, and it really improves our speech.
It was not like a boring class. It's like we were really having fun in the class. One of the really things that surprised me that I improved my Korean really fast, like faster than I expected.
We studied English by playing games in English, of course. Also, we did some practice tests, and it was really fun because we not only just did the tasks as in normal schools, we had opportunity to speak and ask something in any time.
There were a lot of activities. I can't properly remember all of them. First of all, Korean drums. It was yesterday and it was so exciting because I've never tried drums and it was like boom. The second one is cooking with chef. We were cooking muffins and it was so tasty. And I guess the third one, Taekwondo.
The reality is the same as our expectations. Everyone is having fun.
Actually, it was like language learning plus like seeing the culture of the Korea, and I did both of them and I had a lot of fun. I went everywhere that I can go, I guess. Like I was not expecting this.
It was more than an English course. I think it is some field trip for me. I came here to explore, to study and to make friends. It's more than just studying.
I would 100% recommend everyone to come here because here people can make new friends, can of course improve their English or Korean, and it is a very cool opportunity to come here because the entertainment and food, people and teachers and the education here is really amazing.
I would recommend everyone this school and like learning language in here because it's not just learning language, it's just having fun and knowing the culture, like learning more than language, definitely.
My camp experience is so memorable because I made friends and we made memories together.